Hi friends, this video shows how to allow installation of apps from unknown sources and fix app not installed error in Google TV. First go to settings, then select apps, then go to security and restrictions, then go to unknown sources. Here we can see list of apps. If we are not seeing any apps here, then we have to install apps from Google Play Store. So here I am going to allow this send files to TV app to install Android APK files from unknown sources. So let me enable it. Okay, done. Now using this send files to TV app, I can install Android APK files from unknown sources. If you need to give same permission to another app in the list, just select the app. So I am going to give this permission to this Explore File Manager app. So let me select this Explore app and enable it. Done. So this way we can allow installation of apps from unknown sources and fix app not installed error.